Okay, so now you have filled in the data that you want, all right, and you want to save it. Of course, very easy, all right. We all know how to save, but you want it in PDF, right? So you want to convert your spreadsheet, right, your Excel spreadsheet to a PDF. So how do you do that? Of course, first just a normal save. Then there's a few methods. One, you can actually try to uh, print this, all right, and see if you have a printer that allows you to print to a PDF version. Like this one you have. Okay, so you have a Microsoft print to PDF. Then just run the print and you will see that it end up as a PDF file. Give it a name and give it a try. All right, so this is using the printer. Okay, but what if the printer doesn't exist? Okay, then you will have to try one of the either to export it as a PDF or save a copy of it, all right, as a PDF. Okay, so if you want to save a copy, let's say I want to save a copy to, let's say, the PC desktop, see if you have a save type to a PDF. All right, so that is one another method. Okay, save type to PDF and give it a name. All right, so this could also work for you. Okay, most of the time this should work, and you do not need to actually export it to a different file. Okay, so give these two a try first. All right, and if it doesn't work, okay, let me know. All right, then I'll probably look for other solution for you.